Hi, Colin with Dow Dynamics. Excited to introduce two new SS3 fog light kits for the Chevy Silverado. One for the 2016 to 2018 1500 and 2019 1500 light duty, and another kit for the 2019 plus 1500 and 2020 plus 2500 and 3500. Not only will this give you a clean, modern look, but it'll also give you a significant increase in light output over any factory fog light option. Unlike other kits on the market that may require you to do irreversible cutting or drilling, our kits were designed to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment requiring no added modification. We offer these kits in two separate SAE-compliant optics, one in a 6000K cool white driving optic that shines a concentrated beam of light downrange and is intended to be used as a supplemental high beam, and another in a fog light optic in our 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow. This will shine light directly in front of the vehicle at over an 80-degree spread. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.